Hi guys, so today I'm doing this today. This video going to be a bit different because you're going to meet my new puppy. It's a Cavapoo. She's also pretty familiar right now. She's also brushing the tail. This is going to be pretty funny in this video. So today I'm going to show you my new puppy, and she's a Cavapoo. She's only 11 weeks. So we had her for 2 weeks now. No, 10 weeks actually. We have her 2 weeks now, and she's my best friend already. I love her so much. She always takes care of me, like when I'm upset and that. She always takes care of me. She's crazy as well, and she loves to play football with me. Like she loves my bed, though, to sleep on my bed. Like when she's running around out my back garden. So that's what I'm going to show you today. My newbie puppy, she's crazy. So yeah, let's get started to see wee Honey, and her name is Honey too, because it's a Cavapoo. It looks like Honey. So let's get started to see my Cavapoo puppy. So guys, she loves to play football. That's her favourite thing. Come here, Honey, look. She must have look, she's looking at the camera, I think. Oh no! Look, she loves to play football. That is a crazy, but she always gets crazy outside. And I can't believe I got puppy because we wanted for them on ages. That was just, oh, and she didn't do it when I give her cheese. She didn't do it sit down and give her paw. So much fun. She loves cuddles as well. I love playing football with Honey. Like, there's so much fun to play with. Like, I feel I got a best friend already. Look, Honey. See? She loves my balls straight away. Oh, Honey! No! Honey! Oh! You floating? Are you? Right, okay. Honey was floating there. So guys, right now I'm playing my Honey with her. Oh, that's so cute. So guys, right now I'm playing Honey with her favourite toy. What I got her for first toy, it's the pink one. Whee! She loves this toy. I play with this her the most. And her another few toys she likes the elephant one. What's that? What's that? Oh. What else? And she loves the bouncy balls too as well. She loves running out back here, like when she goes crazy. Oh, I love it because it just makes me laugh. What's that? Look, I'm vlogging from my YouTube channel, and can you guys please subscribe below? Give us a big thumbs up. So yeah, like I'm doing like more and other videos, and please comment down below what else do you want me to do from another videos. To them, like this view, like we reach having crazy times. So I thought a good idea to do a video for wee Honey. Look. So I thought, yeah, that's what I can do. So just comment below what else you want me to do. Then I can do it, because my YouTube channel do like a lot of deaf awareness. Like I'm profoundly deaf. So yeah. Honey. She loves biting everything, so we need to try and chain her. No, well, we've been training her. She's been doing very well. Whee! I love this one. It's quite long. Yeah, you can just play with it. It's quite cute. But yeah, I don't know what I can do. Oh, she's just so cute. Like, I always wanted a Cavapoo for like a long time now. Like a really long time. Oh! Like, first day when we got her, she was fine. She was, well, first time we saw her, she was really quiet. She's only tiny as well. Quite cute. Oh. What else? Like, every time I wake up in the morning, she always wonders where I am. What was that? What was that? Oh, so yeah. Oh, she's looking at us going away there, that wee bouncy ball. Are you going to chase it? Don't know. Are you looking at the camera? She's really soft and tiny. Oh! Oh, you're saying hello? Yep, she was saying hello, wasn't you? Yeah. Woo. Oh, so cute. So guys, I know this is a short video. Like, I know it's short, it's just because I just want to show you guys my new puppy. Because she might be in some of my videos, so I thought it'd be a good idea to show you guys my new puppy. My new Cavapoo puppy. So yeah, see you guys soon. And please follow me Honey Insta account as well. Hi, I'm Honey the Cavapoo. That's our Instagram account, so please follow that. Give Honey some support. And so yeah, bye guys.